These people are yawning. But why does seeing someone yawn make you yawn too? Before we continue, like and subscribe if you've ever caught a yawn from someone else. It's called contagious yawning. When we see, hear, or even think about someone yawning, our brain can automatically trigger the same response. Scientists think it may be connected to social awareness and how our brains respond to other people. And honestly, if you're yawning right now, I'm blaming this video.